So let's have a control and let's call it numeric 1. Let's enable its caption and move it down. Let's re-enable the label as well, and let's set a value of, let's say, 25. So we can replace a front panel object with a different control or indicator without losing the label, caption and value we set for the object. To replace a front panel object, right-click the front panel object. A temporary version of the controls palette appears, after we select replace, and from there select a control you want to replace it with. So as you can see, the label, caption and the value are preserved, but if you do not change the default label and then replace, then the default label will be replaced with the label from the new replaced control, but the caption will not be replaced. It will retain its original value. So let's select everything and delete it. Let's have a control and an indicator, and let's have an indicator or not. So if we replace a control with, let's say, an indicator, LabVIEW preserves the data flow direction of the original object and does not change the control to an indicator. Likewise, if we replace an indicator with a control, LabVIEW does not change the indicator to a control.